Well, hello, it's Val's cooking show.
Greta, remember our last video where I gave a little teaser about a salad I'm making with a mystery crispy
Crunchy.
ingredient. Do you remember that?
I certainly do, and I remember my response, but
Yeah, I do too.
I'm not gonna repeat it.
So come close.
Oh
come
no!
close.
Oh no!
Close your eyes and hold out one hand, and then
Scares me.
put that in your mouth. Don't look.
Well, I just peeked. Now I have to put it in my mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna crunch again?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm crunching on camera. Oh. Wow. Okay. How do I mute the audio? Go ahead.
All right, don't. That's part of the fun. I've been intrigued with this. I've been seeing all sorts of little demonstrations popping up. Crispy pasta salad. And the crispy part of the salad is, the lettuce and stuff. But the main is
It's really
roasted pasta. How interesting and unusual is that?
It
all
is.
right?
It's a burst of flavor in my mouth.
Oh, good. And so I chose this recipe, which the link is in the email, because it had 424 5-star reviews.
Wow.
So I thought that was
Well,
better
add
than my
another one
reviews.
for me so far. Okay.
All right. So you start out with romaine lettuce, and I used, ta-da, Trader Joe's.
Here she is
Romaine,
again, Ms. Trader Joe's.
Romaine, and I think if I was redoing this, I would use all three. It came with 3 heads of lettuce. I should have used all 3.
Okay.
Because, and then we have 1 cup of cucumber.
Ooh.
See how I'm so good at throwing
Look
stuff
at her.
around?
Look, she's
1
like
cup of cherry tomatoes.
her own little cooking show here with her little prepped.
Half a cup of onion, red onion.
Wow, you're going so fast.
Half a cup, because you have an event to get to, and
I
I want
know.
to get you there. Half a cup of grated Parmesan.
Oh,
Yum, yum,
love
yum.
that. Okay.
And
sell it.
so Greta,
Yes. Yeah.
I want to give you a little.
Oh,
Can you
no,
taste the
I'm-
dressing?
oh.
There's a secret ingredient in the dressing. So see if you can tell what it. Oh, you can just lick it off there. I won't use the spoon.
Okay.
Oh, whatever you like. All right, you'll never guess.
No, I'm confused.
And it's something that I never would use, but I said go with the flow. All right. It has this is a tablespoon of pickle juice.
Oh.
And a tablespoon of grainy mustard, and half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Whisk it all together with a little salt and pepper. And I thought the
I'm
dressing
gonna
was
say
really
it was
good.
really unusual, and it's really good. Like
It
all
is
of a sudden,
good,
I can
isn't it?
I could taste the pickle and then the mustard. Yes,
Yeah,
that's
I was
fabulous.
a little nervous about it, but
No,
hey.
don't be nervous, people.
So this whole jar is for this whole salad.
Oh,
I think that's a
yikes.
lot.
That is a lot.
So I'm not going to really use the whole jar. We have a little
you do
leftover.
Val's version.
And then just kind of mix it. Will will your son be eating this tonight?
Sure, he's a garbage disposal. He'll eat anything I bring home.
That's nice.
Oops.
So maybe I do need a little more dressing.
Well, we'll see. Let's play with
All
it.
right, let's
So
play
when
with
does the crispy stuff
Because-
come in?
And then now we do this at the last.
Okay.
And the way that you crisp these is you boil them until just before al dente.
Okay.
And before you boil them, you dry them,
Yeah.
salt, pepper them, drizzle a little olive oil, put some garlic on it. You can do hot flakes, whatever seasoning you would like.
Yeah.
And you bake them for like 20 minutes until they're golden like this, and crispy.
So I tasted a little spice. What did you put on this one? Do you know?
I did. Oh, I did onion powder, garlic,
All right,
salt,
let me just taste it again.
pepper.
Oh yeah. Nice. Who would have thought?
You can make this ahead of time, but before you serve, add the pasta and add the dressing.
All
So
right. Well,
everything's
let's get it in there. Let's see what happens.
Woo!
Let's see what happens. So now, do you think you need more dressing or not?
I may.
Yeah, I'm crunching one.
I think so.
Again. And again, lovely flowers from Trader Joe's. No, Val does not
Call
get.
me Mr. Trader Joe.
No,
We need to
she's
be a
asking for a
spokesperson.
date with Mr. Trader
No,
Jill.
spokesperson.
Oh,
another
spokesperson.
interview for being a spokesperson.
Yeah, look at her audition, everybody.
Look at
Send
this.
this in. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
All right. So doesn't this look good?
Yes.
All right. Now you get to taste it.
No,
Greta.
I'm not tasting it. I can't. We need to move
What?
on. It looks delicious, and I cannot wait.
Greta,
All right.
Wait.
Look
Take
at-
a spoon.
No, Oh, yeah. No, no, really. That was really good.
So hey, maybe another 5-star review.
Oh.
Anyway, so fun, so unexpected.
Yep.
With the crispy pasta.
All
I
right.
love it.
Where are we going?
And now I'm going to
Oh,
film you
geez.
talking about what's new in the shop.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, don't. Okay. Well,
I'm following you. I'm following you.
okay. So, this is a beautiful rack. This is so gorgeous. All right. First of all, I don't need these. This is a brand called M, made in Italy, and it is this gorgeous, flowy, like if you have an event, actually I could see this even with jeans.
Oh, sure.
And then, but look at how gorgeous this is.
I know, it's
These little
flowy, it's
irises.
fresh,
Okay, so we paired it.
flattering.
We got these beautiful pants. We're gonna try these on. We just got it out, so that's why, look at these pants. They
Yeah,
got a
they're
little
nice.
elastic on the bottom, fun, beautiful. This is just a great neutral piece.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, love it. This, the customer came in and she bought it. She actually had a black tank on and pants, and she just wanted to wear it open. And so it looked so beautiful, but
Oh, I
it is a
bet.
little sheer, but it was, you could wear it without a tank. Gorgeous. And then this, we call this wheat,
I love that.
this color. Again, it's just like such a great, it's
And
such a
everything's
neutral
going back
piece.
to the pants,
Oh, yeah.
too.
Okay, lastly, cannot wait for someone to try this on. We haven't
Oh,
seen it
yeah.
on yet. Beautiful dress. You have a wedding to go to. Look at that detail right there.
Yes, I love that.
So pretty.
cute.
Just graceful.
Pretty.
Don't-
Yes.
Yep, so there's that. And let's see. Oh, wait, there's more. Okay, great. Look at this jacket.
Oh, yeah.
And it's kind of like cape-ish, not cape-ish, what do you call that? Kind of a,
Dolman.
yeah, kind of like, and it's almost like a shawl,
Yeah.
because it's not, totally fitted.
Mm-hmm.
Very,
Very artsy.
yes, and there's the pants, so there you go.
Oh, isn't that nice together? With the little tank under it. Lovely.
Oh, and you're done. You are done.
Yes.
Okay, so speaking of done, we're done with this rain, but I don't think we are, because come over here, Lady Jane, Lady Val. Okay, we are gonna do a special because we are tired of rain, but we want you to be covered in fabulous raincoats.
Be ready for it. Yeah.
So
25% off. Raincoats and also
Oh,
little
jackets.
jackets. So
well, we got
you
jean
know,
jacket.
like all of this jean jackets.
We got jackets
that
over
cute
there.
little green jacket.
Oh, any jacket like this? You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, yeah.
Great, Val.
And here are we're taking a field trip now.
Okay,
and we're
there's a
on the
bunch of
road.
jackets.
And
right
then
here.
this little grouping, 25% off. They're great if you're going on vacation. Neutral colors that'll blend well with everything you're packing for vacation.
Yeah, I think that's it.
And most of them like a cotton blend, very comfy. That's it. Come see us. Make the salad. Let us know what you think and what your family thought of the
Oh,
mystery crunchy
yes.
part of it.
Don't tell them what it is.
It was very fun to make, and the directions are on the email that
All
you
right.
get. Thanks for
See
watching,
you soon.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.